That's kind of funny about the fishing in the dark. Me and my brother, I remember when I was little, when he used to take me hunting. There's a handful of songs come on the radio. If you're on your way to hunting or fishing or whatever we were doing, if one of them songs come on the radio, we'd always say we was going to have a real good day. And I thought it was kind of neat that song came on, and also Hank Williams Jr., Country Boy Can't Survive, came on too. So I'm expecting some good things today. Not that I'm superstitious at all. But anyhow, it's 2 days after I shot that buck and doe, and got an opportunity to come hunt. Like I said in the last video, I'll try to throw a Hail Mary here and try to bounce around. I'm hunting a spot that I haven't hunted all year. I scouted it about a week ago, and I just haven't seen anybody parked at this spot all year long. Well, since bow season at least. So hopefully, it ain't had a whole lot of pressure. A little bit of sign in here. I don't know. I'm not expecting a whole lot this late in the season. Basically anything you do is about a Hail Mary, at least for this hunting club. If they get hard to hunt. I killed that buck. He was chasing them 2 does. That's the first chasing I've seen all year. It's hard to tell. Especially, there just ain't a whole lot of deer left at this club. They've just shot them up so much with this whole CWD thing. And it's like that's their goal, is to eliminate as many deer as they can. That way, less chance of the deer to spread the disease. So here in Fayette and Hardeman County, southwest Tennessee, we just ain't going to have any deer left to hunt hardly. That way, northern, middle, and east Tennessee can still have some good places to hunt. I don't know. What do I know? I make cereal for a living. And I'm also running late, so I need to get off here and pack everything up and head to the woods. I got to find a tree to climb and put a stand on a tree and all that nonsense. So I got some work to do. I'll see you guys in the tree. Alright, finally got it set up. It's kind of late. 7:03. Tree I climbed, kicked my butt. Got halfway up and realized my stand wasn't adjusted right. So I went ahead and climbed back down, readjusted it, got back up here, and it's still kind of sitting like this. I hate that, but I'll make it work. Basically what I'm hunting right here, it's a logging road that comes through here. It's a big clear cut to my left, a small clear cut to my right. There's a big block of pines behind me, and a smaller block of pines right there. Right here, kind of out in front of me, is a strip of woods, hardwoods that they left. And right here where my stand is a little wad of hardwoods that they left. I really don't know what these deer are going to be doing, so it might be just a learning day. I know right out in front of me the other day, when I come here and scouted, there was a bunch of deer tracks in that road. Like them deer crossing from my left to right, and walking up and down this logging road. I think they would be following this thicket right here, and these hardwoods they left to go back in these pines, but with all this cut over, it's so much bedding area right here. Who knows what they're doing? But it's worth giving it a shot. Like I said, ain't hardly nobody been hunting here this year, so at least I know it hasn't had a lot of pressure. Alright, let's get to watching some birds.
That was a doe with horns. That last deer that just run through here. I couldn't get it on film, but she ran back in behind me, and I was just thinking that better buck would follow her back in here. And then I heard some commotion back behind me, and I turned and looked, and it was that good buck. He done made it all the way around and got in behind me. And I don't know, it just instinct took over, and I bleated at him a couple times. I finally got him to stop, and I shot him. He's down. He's a pretty good buck. I don't know what he'll score. He ain't really the one I was looking for, that I said I was going to wait for a 130. There ain't no way he's 130. I guess that killer instinct switch just flipped in me. I probably should have let him walk, but it would have been different if he just would have been walking around. I really got to scope him out. He ain't got the greatest mass in the world, but he's got pretty good brow tines, and his G2s and G3s are all right. So I don't know. I wish I could have got that on film, but there's no way, because I had to stand up and turn around, and I shot him behind me. But he didn't go very far, maybe 50 yards in the woods, and crashed. 751. I always doubt myself after I shoot a deer that it's not as good. It's definitely the best deer I've seen out of the stand this year. That ain't saying no whole lot with me in the year I've been having. So we'll see. That's pretty cool seeing that doe with horns. There had to be a doe with horns. It still had velvet, and it just went up and just two little forks. I thought it was weird that them deer were running around like crazy, and I'd never seen a doe. And finally, I'm 99% sure it was a doe. She come right by here, and I saw that it was just all velvet. We'll give it 30 minutes. I'll ease down, see what we got. Alright, let's just climb down. It's still bucks running around in here like crazy. One heavy horn deer come in behind me. I think I seen him before I shot that other buck. I seen a real white horn, kind of heavy buck, but he didn't show himself until just then. If that's the same deer, I couldn't tell much about him except for he's got good mass. I see a buck right now in the woods. I think he's over there checking out that buck I shot. I hate to run him off, but I don't want to just stand here like a bump on the log for an hour. I'm gonna slip over there and see what we got. There's where I shot that buck. I see horns. You see horns from here, maybe he's pretty good. I know he's respectable. I just don't know if he's the buck that I was really wanting to hold out for. And that 280 does not play. Alright, there he is. He ain't no giant like I was hoping for, but he's a lot better than that last buck I killed. See if we can drag him up and get a better look at him. Pretty good shot. Alright, here he is. Man, he needs some ass bad. Pretty deer. I ain't even trying to discount him. Definitely ain't the deer that I wanted to hold out for. He ain't got no mass. If he had some mass, he'd be pretty good. Them G2s and brow tines got him killed, but that's about all I could tell. I knew he was an 8, but that's all I could really tell. With him running that doe like that all around and some thick stuff. Like I said, I should have let him walk, but I'd feel a lot better about it if I hadn't messed up the other day on that real scrub buck. It is what it is. He got one real good G2. Well, both of his G2s are pretty good, and he just kind of got crab claw G3s, which I've seen a lot worse crab claws, but I'm not sure how long his main beams are. I'm not sure how old he is either. It's kind of hard to tell. He's at least 3.5. He might be older than that. He ain't just huge bodied deer, but like I said the other day, you know, this time of the year they get so run down from the rut, it gets kind of tough to tell. It's over with now. Time to drag him out of here. I ain't just 100% disappointed with him, the season I've had. Like I said, I'd feel a lot better about it if this was my first buck. I don't know. I don't want to be a negative Nancy about it. He's a good deer. I'll say that. Definitely nowhere near my best. I said if I was going to shoot another deer, it's going to be one I mounted, but he's just a little bit too small, I think. I don't know. Just guessing, I'm going to say he's like one high teens, 119. He might go 120. I don't know. We'll see when I get home. I'll put a tape on him real quick. Alright, anyways, be talking too much on here. I'm gonna get him gutted and get him to the truck.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.